Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and today I get to share with you the Say It With Stamps Autumn and Halloween collections. Everything from sayings to word dies to icons, the cornucopia, all kinds of fun stamps that are individual as well as background stamps, background dies, word dies, as well as stencils. So let's jump in and take a look at each of the pieces and their coordinating dies. The first set of stamps that I want to share with you are the background stamps. There are 3 in the fall collection. They measure 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. The first one is called Fall Floral Background. It features this beautiful sunflower. There's little daisies at the bottom, some fun leaves, as well as acorns. You can easily color this with Copic markers, as well as colored pencils. This would also be stunning to do in a watercolor background. Absolutely beautiful. Add just one word from the Say It With Stamps word stamps or word dies. That would be absolutely beautiful. Quick and easy card. This one is called Fall Leaves. And this background features lots of fall leaves that could also be done with watercolor. You could emboss it as a background on a craft sheet of paper. That might be kind of fun. Add a nice word, and you're ready to go. This one is called Grateful, Thankful, Blessed Background. And that's what the words say as well. So you have the thankful, blessed, grateful repeat pattern throughout this whole background. You could easily stamp this in a lighter color. You could use it with an embossing ink and emboss all of those sentiments on the background. Absolutely beautiful for just a subtle background of words. This is the Autumn Floral stamp set, which include this beautiful cornucopia, some fun little acorns, floral elements, as well as some great sayings. Grateful for you, this cute little hi, autumn greetings, and happy harvest. This set also comes with a coordinating die, which is sold separately, that cut out the 2 large elements and 4 of the little smaller icons. This would be stunning to stamp, color, and then die cut each of the pieces for elements on a layout, or even as a accent on your Thanksgiving table. You could make a name card with the cornucopia. How cute would that be? This is called the Farmer's Market stamp set. It includes this great cart that you could add vegetables to. You could also add florals to it if you wanted as well, from another stamp set in the Say It With Stamps collection. There are lots of different veggies. I love this little sign that you can put the different sayings in, including eat your veggies, I pick you, wishing you a happy day, and hello. The Farmer's Market set also has a matching die set, which is sold separately, that cut out all of the elements in this collection. I like this because it's fall-ish, but it doesn't have to be fall. The sayings are not necessarily fall related, but you could easily make it a fall card. This stamp set is called Acorn Critters, and all of these 4 little critters actually fit into the acorn here, and you can actually put the little acorn top on their head if you choose to. There are a few other little icons, including the leaves and a pumpkin, and then the greeting that says Fall Greetings at the bottom. It also comes with a coordinating die, which is sold separately, that cuts out each of the icons. So cute. This collection also includes 2 fall cover plate dies. This one is an A2 die, which includes all these fun leaves. It does give you the border, so it cuts out the actual A2 size perfectly. So that's the first one. The second one fit the mini slim size card. And instead of cutting the straight edge, it cuts this beautiful detailed etched leaf edge, which is so pretty. You could use the whole thing, you could use parts of it. Absolutely beautiful. So you get two different effects depending on which size you get. You could easily do a ink blended background, cut either one of these out in a black or even a brown, lay it over your ink blended background for a quick and easy card. Speaking of quick and easy cards, we also have a Grateful stamp set as well as a two-piece Grateful word and shadow set. You can either stamp the word Grateful and cut it out of the shadow, or you can die cut the word Grateful in one color and then put a shadow behind it of another color. So you have multiple options with the two pieces. My favorite part about the word stamps is that you can make lots of different mix and match sayings, including grateful for your thoughtfulness, grateful you are my wife, grateful for your support, for your kindness, grateful you are in my life, we are grateful, I am grateful, grateful we are friends. So lots of mix and match sayings that you can make with just this one stamp set. Add the die for even more options. This collection also includes some great autumn leaf stencils. They come in two sizes. There's a 6x6 stencil, as well as one that fits the mini slim and the slim card sizes. There are two stencils in each pack. They're numbered 1 and 2. So if you want to go ahead and ink the first one, and then you want to add the veining inside of the leaf, you would ink the first one, put the second stencil over the top, and then add your details. The nice thing about that is if you wanted to do it in a dark color, you could. If you wanted to add your veining with, say, gold embossing powder, you would use your embossing ink to ink in the different pieces, and then you can go ahead and emboss it afterwards. So you have lots of flexibility as to how you want your leaf to look and what the veining will look like inside. The same can be said for the long and skinny version as well. How beautiful is that? The thing that I'm most excited about with this collection is that if you want to have your leaves die cut separately, there is a matching autumn leaves die that cuts out each of the different leaves on either one of the stencils. So say you wanted to do a whole bunch of the different leaves on either of the stencils in different colors, or ink blend them, or to add to a layout or a card, or use as a decor piece, you could easily do that and then take your dies and cut them each out individually. So the dies are sold separately if you choose, and you can also purchase either of the stencils separately as well. So just to give you a little bit more versatility and lots of options, I'm super excited about the coordinating die. You can't have fun dies and stamps without paper to mount them on. So we've also included a 6x6 Fall Plaids paper pad. It includes 2 of each of the 12 double-sided designer papers inside. Let's take a look at each of the patterns. If you love plaids, this is the package for you. There's also a few ginghams. We also have some coordinating plain colored paper to be able to mix and match. The leaves would be beautiful die cut out of these papers. You can use the solids to mount on a card. You can layer with the plaids. There are lots of options to be able to use this fun paper pad with all of your fall paper crafting projects. It wouldn't be fall if we didn't have a few things for Halloween, including 3 great stencils, one that includes 3 pieces to create a beautiful background of candy corn. If you look at the back of the packaging, each of the different stencils have beautiful designs that kind of give you a starting point for your card creation. We also have a coordinating die that makes this large candy corn as well. That would be fun for putting on to treat bags or goodie bags for Halloween for kids in school, for teachers. So many great ideas to be able to use the two together. There's also a pumpkin die as well as a pumpkin stencil. So once you get your pumpkins colored with your stencil, you can go ahead and cut out each of the pumpkins individually. Here is an idea that you can use to create a fun pumpkin card. So cute. We also have this adorable ghost stencil with the coordinating dies that are sold separately as well. How fun is that? Easily cut out the ghosts, add cute little faces. You could make a whole background of just spooky ghosts. So those are the 3 stencils and then the coordinating dies that go with them. For Halloween, we also have the I'm Batty for You stamp set, which includes 3 large bats, as well as this tiny bat. It includes lots of sayings, including bugs and hisses. Let's hang out, boo, happy Halloween, and I'm Batty for you. And they each fit inside of this fun little thought bubble. You can also pick up the coordinating die set that is sold separately. This is the number 6 Haunted House cover plate die. It fits the number 6 card perfectly. Be sure to flip over the back of your packaging for a creative idea to get you started. The nice thing about this die is that you get the background or the cover plate, but you also have lots of other elements, including this little candy corn. You have a bat, some stars, you have the word boo, as well as the moon, a ghost, and more. So lots of added elements that you can use on other cards as well. Perfect for Halloween. We hope you enjoy the fun autumn and Halloween stamps, dies, and stencils in this collection. We appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.